I need one that, like a pistol or something that will shoot really quickly and easily. This thing I have to load and load and load. Ah! Wait a second, I can check under this beanbag. Perfect. Wait, what? Where is he? Where did he go? Where did he go? Whoa, whoa! Ah! Oh, oh. Oh man, he ran away. Maybe my pistol is bad luck. Oh, I'm sorry I doubted you, sniper. Let's go get him. Whoa, it's dark up here. Oh. I'm gonna turn a light on. Oh. Turn it off now. Oh boy, I'm in the dark, lost. Oh man, I wonder where I am. I wonder where Ryan is. Well, at least I found a light switch. A good spot to station up and wait for Ryan to come. You know what I'm gonna do? I betcha he's gonna go out there, turn on a light, and then I'm gonna turn that one off so I can see him and I can scope him and get him dead. Oh good! I found a light switch. I think I hear something. I think I got him. Let's go check it out. Oh, ow. No way. I got him. Yes. And the gun is mine. And now I can just send him down the stairs. Whoa, and there he goes. Goodbye.
No one look at me.
We're done with the video.
No.
Okay, finally.
That's not gonna be good quality.
Quality content. Okay, we just finished the video, guys. This is the end of the thing blooper. Goodbye, subscribe. He was just riding down the stairs.
I want to do that again.
Bye. Like the video, subscribe.
Subscribe.
See ya.